The Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization HITO, Southwest Khasi Hills District, has expressed concern over the ongoing misunderstanding between two transport associations and called for an immediate resolution in the interest of the safety and livelihood of drivers and workers. In a statement issued by its president Paul Thranyang, the organization said it had taken note of the grievances faced by truck drivers and laborers, particularly regarding their safety and daily operations. It has accordingly reached out to both the Maushandut Circle Truck Owners and Drivers Association and the Southwest Khasi Hills Truck Owners and Drivers Association over the lack of consensus and operational issues related to trucks transporting coke. The HITO clarified that it is not taking sides in the matter, but is primarily concerned about the welfare and security of truck drivers, laborers and vehicle owners, especially local indigenous stakeholders dependent on the sector for their livelihood. Paul Thranyang cautioned that continued disunity and failure to resolve the dispute could create obstacles for local stakeholders and potentially allow outside elements to take advantage of the situation, thereby affecting the income of local communities. He further appealed to both associations to urgently resolve their differences through mutual understanding to restore normalcy, ensure safety and safeguard the economic interests of those involved in the trade. The HITO emphasized that unity and cooperation are essential to maintaining peace and stability while also protecting the livelihoods of those dependent on the transport sector in the district.
Jumi kungkaseng, kumtahi nakling kungkaseng, takabashay kalomba. Apo kini kejilang juga mekaya commercial truck owner and driver association MC TODA, bahkan ke Southwest Khasi Hills owner driver association, kali ke SWKHTODA. Hoi nakling kungkaseng, nimdon kata kau bangin sanksi yang eno. Hari nanti jumi kungkaseng pada isngap isno ya kata kejimon nam jungki di driver kebanyak truk bagi kok station nungjiri nakli kalomba imkwa baromba genda turkla dari imkwa baromban ban balia kalau kini kementan hari ini nakli ku kasen ngipi kejikut dinam jungki di driver truk bagi kok station nungjiri nakli ku kasen masih hapan pau ba ni gimdon mata gimdon kata kamusim mansashian lari ya ke MC tu dah lani ya kasabu seru gim shashian ino hari kakubo lagi ni kuntasen kalau bukan ni syukur balada long kepala lagi ni baru atli ni asosian lada long kepala lagi ni pendek lada kini komentar lari bala kifayat atau sinar rumah kata kami yang ini lebih gile akan penuh hukum hak baki kisno yahap ini baki kisno baki berkunjung ni bukan yang sisi belum apa mungkin komuniti para dok personal para mani para trainer ngatrai bang ke kajian itu tuh meseng belum ada niyo kabah kalau mereka juga halal kini ki akli ar kengun mungkin ki asosial ya kata misio ba ngatai ke kalong kabet nanti kini beroa pada kumba aji keseng ki kaya untuk sira nomor ngatai ba kata bagian tadi lagi lagi minta nada apa kabet kejibian khampar umulasi ngatai ba kata kabasudeye dari bagi kata kesong kemojupi dari berita kau yang nakling meseng kalomba nimkwa ba kani ka puri kura kani ka yeshur kani ka tanpai pramani para dok pasnam para trai mu ngatrai ba nakling meseng nimla ampiang ba nimla khanda kham